Brian Little.
Japan.
Hey Luz, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, my name is Joy Louise, fashion designer and stylist. And today, you guessed it, I have another try on haul for you. Today's try on haul is all about Elite by Adore Me. Elite is a subscription service that basically allows you to turn your home into a fitting room. There really is nothing better than receiving a gift on your step every month. That is how this truly feels. I really live my life in loungewear and, lots of comfortable pieces from home, but I refuse to be caught in a muumuu. I refuse to be caught in something that is ripped, torn, stained. I just don't live my life that way. And since I started working from home, subscription services have really become the thing for me. I don't have to deal with fitting rooms. I don't have to deal with lines. And I get to pick and choose what I want and send it back if I don't like it. So with Elite, you're getting anywhere from 3 to 5 items every month under a price range from $39.95 to $59.95. The return process is super easy. You just place whatever items you don't want back into the box that you received your items in and send it back through the mail. Okay, I know you're like, Joy Louise, I know you're telling me so many great things about this subscription service, but like, how much does it cost? There is a $0 membership fee for this subscription. You literally just pay for what you keep. The only fee that you pay is one that I understand, which is a styling fee. But when you keep at least one item for that month, that $20 is credited towards that item. We're back to being free. Now, coming from a stylist, let's talk about how your products are curated and chosen. So it is super important that you go through the style quiz portion, and it also is a lot of fun. So you basically want to go through and you're going to let Adore Me know what you like and what you don't like. If you want more lingerie, if you want more loungewear, if you want to try out underwear, if you want to try out, corsets, whatever it is that you want to try out, you got to let them know. Otherwise, you'll end up getting things that you don't want, or maybe you want to be surprised. I don't know. But the style quiz is important. Even when I'm working with clients or if I'm styling people for events or things like that, I always ask them, what do you like? How do you want to feel? What do you want to wear? I always start with that. So it is super important that you take the style quiz because it is the only way that you're going to be set up for success with this Elite subscription box. It is important to know what your style is. So, for example, I love glamour. I love lace. I love my bras to not be padded. I love, full coverage in my underwear. And I just love things that are feminine and flirty and a bit more dressed up. You may like things that are more casual. You may not like lace. You might like, cutouts. You might like to wear thongs over a full panty, or, it just depends on your style. A lot of my lingerie pieces are black. Some ladies want to wear other colors. Anytime I venture off into a color, it's a jewel tone. So I know that about myself, and I'm able to take the style quiz and really feel like they're gonna understand what I need and what I want. And there's some sort of comfort in that when I'm, working with a subscription service where I feel like they get what I want and I don't have to worry about the rest. So first we have the Felicity Loungewear dress. Ladies, this dress, I know that I'm gonna layer and wear this dress out. That's how it makes me feel. This dress, although it's a simple black dress, the fit on it is amazing. It's heavy, it's perfect for the fall, it's perfect for, at home, layering under a robe or layering under a long, soft cardigan and just feeling really cozy but cute. I just really love the pieces that Adore Me offers. So I obviously am gonna put a video up for you guys to see how this looks on me, but I'm also gonna hold it up here so that we can look at it close up together and really talk about the qualities of this piece. So this is the Felicity dress. One thing I want to call out is the adjustable straps. Yes, the straps are adjustable. For me, being a 44 triple D 44F, that's important. Very important. But another thing I want to point out is this sort of like built-in bra on the inside. In a loungewear dress, I say you adore me. So I love this dress, and I think that it is so sexy, and it's an easy throw-on piece for you to feel quickly put together, you know, for anything, and just sexy. I feel sexy in this dress, and I don't know that I could ask for anything more. Let's get into the next item. Okay, so next we have the Alexa dress. Now, the Alexa dress is a lot more casual of a piece, but I love this color. It's a really cute green color that I think is festive for the fall. I still feel really sexy in this, but more so comfortable. It is more of a loose fit, which sometimes ladies we want. Like, we don't always want to be bodyconned out. Like, sometimes we want to be a bit more you know, comfortable, relaxed, laid back. This is, you know, early morning hot chocolate on a Saturday, staring out of the bay window kind of a dress, and I love it. So in looking at it here, it has a sort of almost Henley-like look to it with the stitching, and it's a decent length, and it has this really sexy little slit on the right thigh. I like that. I am super excited. Well, actually the slit is on both of the sides. Yeah, the slit is on both of the sides. I love this color. I think it's super, you know, complements my skin tone. Ladies, that's something we take into consideration when we're buying loungewear, lingerie. Just because we're working from home doesn't mean that we can't put in some effort. So yeah, I love this. It's got a racer back detail, and it's so comfortable. It's also a great travel piece too, if you're going to, you know, be, you know, out with the girls at a hotel. I always think about that stuff too. Like, what do you wear to go to sleep at a hotel? This. Because if you need to run out, something happens, somebody pulls the fire alarm at a hotel, these are the kind of pieces you want to be in. And this also has that built-in sort of like bra on the inside of this too. Adore me. I'm liking that. Just letting you know, she's liking that. Let's get into the next item. All right, so our last loungewear piece is the Cami Romper. She's intentional. The color is stunning. The material is sexy. And I love this. So it does come with a sash, which I think is really adorable. And it's definitely one of those sexier pieces. It's gravitating more towards lingerie, but it's still kind of loungewear, if you get what I'm saying. So I love this piece. I think that it is so wearable, so sexy. And it's definitely one of those like trans-seasonal pieces, meaning you could wear this all year round, if we're being honest. As I mentioned earlier, like in the winter and the fall, I would throw a, you know, a cable knit cardigan over this and just really feel cute, sexy, and cozy. This piece, when I saw the color, I was like, yeah, I hope they send me that. And they did. And there's also another colorway that's in like a marble print that I think I'm gonna go and buy on my own, because I just I feel like this is stunning, but I needed the eggplant color. As I mentioned earlier, when you're doing the style quiz, you definitely want to let them know, you know, what colors you're into, what colors, you know, don't check what colors you don't like. It's important to know what colors don't work when it comes to, you know, your skin tone, or, you know, whatever else it may be. It's important to know what works for you. So I love this piece and I look forward to rocking it. Look at, you guys, look at how pretty that is. Yep, she's cute. Let's get into the next piece. So the next piece I've been wanting to try, and I was glad that I got it with this box, is the Joya period panties. Ladies, the period panty has to be like one of the most revolutionary inventions when it comes to feminine products. This is gonna sound weird, but I'm actually looking forward to getting my period so that I can try these out. Now, what I like about these is that they're made out of the same material as swimsuits. So there's that. And then the padded section here. And this video, like, if there are guys in this video, I do apologize, but I'm talking to my ladies. We're having girl talk. This is full, like, this is full coverage. And you're talking to a plus size woman who is hippie, who has booty, and this is great. It's great. I don't know any other subscription service that is, you know, sending you period panties. You know of one? I didn't think so. So definitely looking forward to giving you guys feedback on these. But until then, let's get into the next item. Okay, so our last item is actually a set, and I am in love with this set. It's giving me all the holiday vibes, all the holiday feels, and I will not be trying it on, obviously. But I think you can get the idea of how it will look. I'll be sure to put up a photo of the model from the Adore Me site. So this is the Marca set, and she is absolutely stunning. So this is the bra. I'm gonna try to hold it up so that you can really see the detail. It has like these really cute, I love those little like extra straps that come just like over the top of the breast. I mean, I put these on and I just feel stunning. And look at this color on me. Are you serious? Y'all, if this was in that eggplant on that, like that romper from earlier. So this is the bra. Gold is my favorite metal. So you know I love the emerald color with the gold detail. And it's lightly padded, which is another call out. If you like things to be, I feel like this bra kind of had to be lightly padded just of, you know, off of its construction, but I don't mind. It's so stunning. It just makes me so ready for the holidays, and I want to show you the panty that comes with it. So this is the panty. It is a full panty, and it is stunning. Look at these little straps at the top. It is so cute and so stunning. I love the lace detail here. It just makes me feel so feminine. It makes me feel like such a woman, so sexy, so sophisticated. And as women, it's important for us to feel that way. And that doesn't always require a partner. That doesn't always require someone telling you those things about yourself. But it literally can be stepping into some lingerie, or, you know, listening to some music, or, you know, just doing your makeup or getting your hair done or getting a facial or a massage or a pedicure, or, you know, doing your nails. I am a huge advocate for women feeling good about themselves and feeling sexy and celebrating their femininity. So that is what this set gives me. I love these panties. The material is so luxe, so beautiful, and the lace is just really stunning. I love it, absolutely love. And I'm keeping everything. I am keeping everything because I love it all. I really, really do love it all. I will more than likely be posting a cozy type of photo in this lingerie piece on Instagram. So make sure you're following me there so you can catch a glimpse of that. But that's probably the only way you're gonna see me in those pieces. But the other pieces, I will for sure, you know, you'll have already seen the video of me in those pieces. And I hope that you can kind of get to see how amazing the Elite subscription service is and how you can really get to try items out risk-free. Really risk-free. And, you know, just let them know what items you love, what items you're keeping, and what items you think that you're gonna send back in, and your build for the items that you keep. That's a no-brainer to me. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you've made it this far, you are the real MVP. Make sure that you subscribe, click the notification bell so that you don't miss an episode from me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Ryan Little.